A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hello everyone, my name is Eliza at MBI. Before I start to sing the alphabet song, it's important that you know that French is the second most widely learned language after English, and is becoming a skill that can be monetized in a society where traditional employment is fizzling out. So, come along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Question time. Identify this alphabet in English. Number 1. W. W. Number 2. Ash. Ash. Number 3. G. G. Number 4. Y. Y. Number 5. X. X. Make sure you answer all these questions, and if you cannot answer it, then you have to go back to my video to learn better. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and press the notification bell below so that you will get notified anytime I post in new videos. Thank you. Bye.